Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've got a passion for editing videos and want to turn that skill into a full-time income, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money as a freelance video editor. So let's jump right in. Number 1, understand what freelance video editing is. First things first, what does it mean to be a freelance video editor? Essentially, it's offering your editing services to clients without being tied to a single employer. You could be editing everything from YouTube, videos and social media content to corporate promos and films. The beauty of freelancing is that you get to choose the projects you work on, set your own rates, and work from anywhere. Let's dive into how you can actually start making money with freelance video editing. Number 2, build your skills and portfolio. Before you start reaching out to clients, it's important to hone your skills. Familiarize yourself with popular video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free tools like DaVinci Resolve. The more proficient you are, the more clients you can attract. Once you're confident in your skills, start creating a portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of your best work that you can show to potential clients. If you're just starting out and don't have clients, you can offer to edit videos for friends, create sample videos, or even edit your own content to showcase your skills. Number 3, finding clients. Now that you've built your skills and portfolio, it's time to find clients. The easiest way to start is by signing up on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These websites connect freelancers with clients who need video editing services. On these platforms, you can create a profile, showcase your work, and start bidding for projects. It's a great way to find clients, especially when you're just starting out. But remember, competition can be tough, so it's important to set yourself apart with a strong portfolio and a well-written profile. Number 4, networking and marketing your services. In addition to freelance platforms, networking is key. Utilize social media to promote your services. Share your edits on Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook, and engage with other creators and businesses in your niche. Join Facebook groups or Reddit communities related to video production, where you can offer advice and connect with potential clients. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Let your family and friends know you're offering freelance video editing services. They might know someone who needs your help, or they could refer you to others. Number 5, set your rates and manage your workload. Now let's talk about how to set your rates. As a beginner, you might start with lower rates to attract your first clients. But once you gain experience and build a reputation, you can gradually increase your rates. To set your rates, consider factors like the complexity of the project, the client's budget, and the time required. Flat rates work well for specific projects, while an hourly rate might be best for ongoing work. And always remember to manage your workload so you don't get overwhelmed. Keep track of deadlines, communicate clearly with clients, and prioritize tasks accordingly. Number 6, deliver high-quality work and ask for reviews. Delivering high-quality work is essential for building long-term success. Make sure your edits are polished, your deadlines are met, and your communication is top-notch. Happy clients are more likely to recommend you to others or hire you again for future projects. After completing a project, always ask your clients for a review or testimonial. Positive reviews build your reputation and help you attract new clients. The more glowing reviews you have, the more credibility you'll gain in the freelance market. And that's it. Freelance video editing can be a rewarding and flexible way to make money online. By building your skills, finding clients, setting your rates, and delivering high-quality work, you can turn your passion for video editing into a full-time business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your freelance journey.